Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Asana with Okta SSO, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta administrator account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Locate and select the Applications tab from the menu. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Asana and press Enter. From the results, select the Asana application. Click on the Add button to initiate the setup process. In the configuration screen, ensure that the sign-on method is set to SAML 2.0. Scroll down and locate the General section. Here, you will find a field labeled App Name. You can customize the app name if desired. Next, you'll need to input required details for SSO configuration. Locate the Single Sign-On URL field. Enter the single sign-on URL provided by Asana. Find the Audience URI or SP Entity ID field. Enter the Audience URI also provided by Asana. Configure the default Relay State field to your preference. The name ID format should be set to email address. Scroll down to the Attributes section. Add the necessary attribute statements. For the name field, input email. Set the name format as unspecified. For the value field, use user.email. Once all information is verified, click Next. This will take you to the feedback section. You can choose whether to send feedback to Okta. Click Finish to complete the application setup. Now, navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account with administrator privileges. Go to the Admin console. Locate the Security tab in the left menu. Click on Single Sign-On to access the SSO settings. Select SAML 2.0 as your SSO method. Input the details you copied from the Okta application setup. Paste the Single Sign-On URL from Okta. Enter the Audience URI or SP Entity ID. Ensure the email domain matches your company domain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.